Friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Kotlin. So now in a Kotlin, we'll concentrate on now how to open camera in Android using Kotlin. So that we can able to see here now. So for that, what I'm doing is I'm creating one new project. So I'm creating one new project with name of Open Camera. So Open Camera Kotlin. So once this project has created, we'll take one button, and once we click on that, we can able to capture that. So how that will happen, we can see now here. So the project is creating. Yeah, still this project is building. So here as usually in XML, I'll take one button. Just I'll write this code for. Once click on that button, I can write the code for that. So it's so clicking. So but here this open camera be called as implicit intent. Means using implicit intent, we can write this open camera code. So that how this happens. Now we can see here this and simple way we can open this camera and we can capture that. So how this happens? We see here. Still this project is creating. So already another video we discussed about intents, that theory part. It's there in Java tutorial. You can use that one because theoretically Java as well as Kotlin both are the same concepts. Then whenever we are writing the Java code, that can only change. So I'll provide that link in here. Just you can go through this. What are the intent types and what are there? How this happens? Clearly, explanation video is available that you can use for the next steps. So here in this directly we'll see this how this Kotlin is happens, that we can able to check here now this. Almost it's done, so it's a Gradle build, almost it's completed. Now we can able to see here. So in our coming videos, even I'll explain you how to convert the Java file to Kotlin file. That also we can able to see here in our comment sections. Is that if it is know that we can able to go with clear, because in a as of now in a Kotlin we are not getting that much of full support on this, so that we can get support from there, so that we can able to check here how that happens. See here, first of all, I want to join our, so in this XML, I want to change this layout to linear layout because it's our regular layout. So I'm changing that layout to linear layout. In this linear layout, now I want to take only one button, that is for the open camera. So when you click on that button, we'll write this, how this camera is opened. Say vertical. I don't want this also. Here instead of this, I'm taking one button. So then it's match wrap content. So match parent and wrap content. So then for the button, I'm giving you some ID. So that ID is open cam. Then text, just I'm typing this camera. So that's what I want to give on the button. Then for the same, now I want to write this code for here. I want to write code here for this in a Kotlin. So how to write this Kotlin? Kotlin is already this having this, so just I can directly here. So here I'm writing this Kotlin. So open camera. So this open camera calling from OpenCam, calling from XML dot set on click listener, set on click listener, set on click listener, done. So here now want to write this var intent. So var intent equal to intent. So in this we need to write this open camera. So that is like same how we are writing there, that is same here. That is media to means, just we are giving the path here. That path is nothing but here media store. So media store dot action image capture. That's all. So this is the path we should give this. And then here as usually the next line is should be the same, start activity of intent. Start activity of intent. That's all. So this is, so now here I'm running this application. So we can able to see this output. So meanwhile I'm connecting the visor to my phone. So this is very simple way how we can open this camera. That's a very simple format. It will be finished. Yeah, device is connected. Just once it is done, we can able to check this output now. How this open camera we can able to check now here. Yeah, almost it's running is done. We'll check in a minute. Still it's running. Need to wait. Yeah, almost it's done now. You can able to check this. Yeah, now it's installing. So once it installed, we can able to open camera here and we can check this how this camera is open here. Now see, I'm clicking on this. See, automatically that camera is opened. Even though if I change here camera orientation, it can be changed like this. So if once you click on this capture, automatically it is capturing this, but it could not save this image. So this is happened with this. So this is about this camera. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.